Sit in Dandasana, bend both legs one at a time until the knees are pointing to the ceiling and the calves come close to the back of your thighs. Lean forward to raise your seat. Squat on your blanket or mat. Use a rolled up blanket if needed under your heels and place your hands in prayer position. Alternatively, you can come from a standing position where the feet are hip distance apart, slightly turned out, and then you bend your knees and come down into the squat with your hands in prayer position. For a more advanced pose, extend your arms forward with your palms facing down. Press your heels to the floor and allow the knees to spread in order to move the torso forward between the legs. On an exhalation, press down through the heels, pull the navel region back and descend the hips while extending the torso forward. Then slowly reverse the steps to release. Coming back up to standing.